Greaves Electric Mobility expands to Nepal with Ampere Nexus launch. Greaves Electric Mobility, the electric mobility arm of Greaves Cotton Limited, has announced its entry into the Nepal market with the launch of its flagship electric scooter, Ampere Nexus. The expansion marks a significant milestone in the company's international growth journey and reflects its strategy to tap emerging EV markets beyond India. The Nepal foray is being executed in partnership with STC Auto Solution Private Limited, which will support distribution and local market operations. Nepal presents a unique mobility environment, characterized by steep gradients, mountainous roads, varying climatic conditions and increasing urban congestion. These factors demand vehicles that are robust, reliable and specifically engineered for high-altitude performance. Ampere Nexus has been positioned as a terrain-ready electric scooter designed to handle such demanding conditions. The product gained recognition in India after being acknowledged by the Asia Book of Records for conquering 70 hairpin bends of Kolli Hills, one of South India's challenging routes. It has also demonstrated performance capability at high altitudes, including Shipki Leh Pass at 13,200 feet. These achievements strengthen its positioning as a durable and high-performance electric two-wheeler suited for Nepal's geography. From a technical standpoint, the scooter is powered by an LFP battery and is engineered to offer strong torque delivery, stable ride dynamics and improved uphill climbing capability. The configuration aims to deliver smooth acceleration in stop-start traffic while ensuring better control across uneven and inclined surfaces. Such attributes are critical in Nepal, where daily commuting often involves steep slopes and unpredictable road conditions. The Ampere Nexus also integrates digital features to enhance rider convenience. It comes with a 7-inch TFT touchscreen with Next.io support, enabling full-screen map mirroring for navigation. Riders can access turn-by-turn directions, ATA updates and real-time vehicle monitoring. Additional features include call connectivity, music control and app-based battery health tracking through the Ampere Connect companion app. These connected features are intended to deliver a modern riding experience while maintaining safety and reliability. Management commentary highlighted Nepal's growing EV infrastructure and increasing consumer preference for durable, premium electric scooters. The company views Nepal not just as an export destination but as a strategic market aligned with its long-term clean mobility vision. Higher altitudes and intensive usage patterns in the country demand advanced battery management systems and strong build quality, areas where Ampere Nexus aims to differentiate itself. Looking ahead, Greaves Electric Mobility plans to gradually expand its presence across other regions in Nepal. The launch of Ampere Nexus serves as the first step in establishing a stronger foothold in the country's electric two-wheeler segment. With Nepal accelerating its clean mobility adoption and encouraging EV usage, the company's entry positions it to participate in a structurally growing market while diversifying its international revenue base. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.